So Isabel joins us now, along with Lorcan Price, who is a barrister and legal counsel for ADF UK, a faith-based legal advocacy organisation that are supporting Isabel, a fantastic organisation. Isabel, I've spoken to you privately. We've done live streams online because it's very difficult to talk about this topic on air, but the charges have now thankfully been dropped. So why are you still pursuing a legal verdict?
Thanks, Calvin. Yeah, it is good news that the Crown Prosecution Service have decided to drop charges, but they've also said that it's because there's not sufficient evidence, and they've made it clear that they could start again following an evidential review, which leaves me in a very uncertain position, not knowing whether the actions that I took, which was just silently praying in my own head, are considered to be criminal or not. So unless I go to court to get some clarification, I'm left feeling very uneasy, really, about the whole thing. And not just myself, but other people who might want to silently think their own thoughts in their heads near the vicinity of an abortion centre. We don't know whether it's legal or not to do that anymore.
So you didn't want to be stuck in a limbo, which makes sense. A lot of people have been posing the question whenever I bring this up on social media, and I'm trying to champion your case as much as possible because I think it's important. But a lot of people reply saying, couldn't you have prayed elsewhere?
Sorry, I just lost the sound.
Could you not have prayed elsewhere is the question a lot of people are posing.
Clearly we can pray anywhere we want to, but I think it is important for myself to be able to pray near the abortion facility. Just to say that for about 20 years I've been going to abortion centres offering help and alternatives to women, and many of those women have accepted that help because they were only having an abortion because they thought there was no other alternative. On this occasion I was going just to silently pray. And for many Christians, and in fact for many people who aren't Christians, they feel it's important to actually be present at a spot. Hence the fact, when somebody passes away, you might often see flowers put on that particular spot, even if it's halfway up a mountain or at the side of the road, wherever that may be. For me, I mark that spot with my prayers. And whether somebody understands that or not, to make that illegal or even raise any uncertainty as to whether it might be legal or not to think certain thoughts in a certain place is really, really concerning. I mean, this is one of our most fundamental rights, the right to think.
I hear you. Thank you, Isabel Vaughan-Spruce. Thank you for that. A spokesman from the Crown Prosecution Service said, "We review all cases ahead of the court where the police have charged. Following a review of this case, we concluded that there was insufficient evidence to provide a realistic prospect of conviction."